4.1, using concentrated solutions to reduce garbage, from Chapter 4, Solutions and the Environment. We just want to define concentrated versus dilute. So a concentrated solution means there's lots of solvent per volume of solvent. So what this looks like is if we have a particular amount, there's lots and lots and lots of solute particles dissolved in there. Okay. So examples are juice from concentrate, so the ones you might get in a can or mixing from crystals. You need to add water to these because it's way too concentrated on its own and just doesn't really taste good. Dilute solutions means that there's less solute per amount of, I should have said solvent here. So if we had the same amount of water, there would be a few particles instead of the tons and tons and tons that we have here. This one is said to have a high water content. So there's more water here than there is solute. Examples of this are ready-made or not from concentrate juice. So ones you might find in a carton or in the refrigerated section. You can drink it right from the package. You don't need to add any water. So which solution requires more packaging? A frozen can of orange juice concentrate or a jug of orange juice from the refrigerated section? Well, think about how much packaging there is on a can versus this 2-liter carton. Can is smaller, so we may assume that there is less packaging on our can and more packaging on the carton. How are concentrated products made? So concentrated products can be quite dry, so a powder, or thick. So think about juice from a can, it's quite syrupy. Concentrated products are made by removing some or all of the solvent, which is most often water, but can sometimes be oil or vinegar. And to do that, we can use processes like evaporation to concentrate products. So they'll take their regular solution and they'll heat it. And after they take it off the heat, there will be less water because water will continue to evaporate. However, there will be the same number of solute particles. Remember, they cannot leave in when water evaporates. And so we would say this is our dilute solution that we began with, and this is our concentrated solution that we were looking to create. Waste packaging. So, of course, packaging can be wasteful. We see that. I don't know who has an Amazon Prime account in their household, but the way that Amazon packs sometimes seems wasteful. In that maybe they use a really large box and lots of packing things like air-filled packages and paper when it didn't really need that large of a box. Or if you order multiple things, they send them in their own box with all kinds of packaging as well. So lots of course, we can think of instances of waste. However, packaging can be important. So some packaging prevents food contamination or spoilage. So pretty much everything at the grocery store. Sometimes that packaging is really important to protect fragile products during shipping. Sometimes it provides consumer information, so nutritional information like the labels on things. It could be health or safety, so maybe some WHMIS or HHPS. And then also child-proof packaging, very important to keep littles out of things that could be harmful to them. A little bit of practice here on page 62. Do 1, 2, 3, and 4.